Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a detailed review of the Opal C1. A webcam that promises professional-grade performance with its 4K resolution and sleek design. Let's kick things off with the design. The Opal C1 sports a modern, industrial look with a textured metal surface and a minimalist matte finish. It's definitely a step up from your average webcam in terms of aesthetics. Plus, it's eco-friendly, incorporating less than 2% plastic in its build. Moving on to performance, the Opal C1 features a 4K Sony image sensor and an FBY 1.8 lens. On paper, this setup should deliver crisp, detailed video with excellent contrast and natural colors. However, there's a significant downside here: the autofocus. During testing, the C1 struggled to maintain focus, often resulting in blurry images, which is a major letdown, especially considering its price point. Now, let's talk about audio. The built-in microphone on the Opal C1 performs decently, offering clear sound that's slightly better than what you'd get from most built-in laptop mics. It's a good option if you need an upgrade in audio quality along with your video. Connectivity-wise, it's plug-and-play on macOS, but Windows users might face some issues. The Opal Composer app, which allows for firmware updates and customization, is unfortunately only available for macOS, leaving Windows users out in the cold. Speaking of user experience, setting up the Opal C1 is straightforward on macOS. But Windows compatibility issues, along with the unreliable autofocus, really hamper its usability. For a premium product, these shortcomings are hard to overlook. So, here's the verdict. While the Opal C1 impresses with its 4K video and sleek design, the persistent autofocus issues make it difficult to recommend, especially at this price point. If you're looking for a top-tier webcam, there are more reliable options out there, like the one we mentioned earlier in the video. That wraps up our review of the Opal C1. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews on the latest tech products. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.